Hi everyone, it's Sherry and welcome back to Sherri'sDivine Styles. My channel is all about bringing your styles to life, one DIY at a time. It doesn't matter how big or small that DIY is, what organization you have to do or cleaning you have to do to bring your style to life. As long as you can visualize it, you can do it by doing it yourself. In this video, I am transforming this plain and simple mirror into a modern and luxe chalkboard. This is needed for my daughter's school. I didn't want to go out and purchase one, and this mirror has just been floating from room to room, so I decided why not. If you are interested in seeing this transformation, just keep watching. Before we get to the video, I just want to say thank you guys. In mid-February, I hit over 100 subscribers, and when I saw this, I was so happy. I was so excited. I couldn't stop smiling. I could not contain myself at all. Thank you, thank you, thank you to my oldies but goodies, and also to the new subscribers to my channel. Thank you for supporting my channel and my videos, liking my videos, and leaving me comments. If you've stumbled across my channel, I do DIYs, organization, cleaning, and cleaning motivational videos, so subscribe so you can see more, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. To help with the transformation for this project, I'm using spray paint, so I need to clean this mirror first. I'm wiping the sides as well as the glass. Everything needs to be clean so the paint can stick. I'm spraying the trim that's close to the mirror gold, so I need to protect the mirror. I am going to be spraying this later on, but right now I need to make sure that it's protected so when it does get its turn, it doesn't have any debris on it. I'm using plain printing paper for this protection. Right here, I'm just showing how I am taping the mirror so that only the trim will receive the gold spray paint, but my thought process wasn't working properly at that time. I did not use enough tape, and once I started spraying the gold paint, gold went everywhere. I mean, places that weren't supposed to be gold were gold, but I didn't freak out. The areas that did receive gold, I just sprayed over it with the white spray paint, and you will see that in the next clip. I sprayed the trim 2 to 3 times. When the trim was dried, I covered it with the painting tape and the paper and sprayed the outer layer of the mirror white. I had to do this 4 to 5 times since this area received the gold paint, but the gold got covered. So that the chalkboard looks like a chalkboard and not a mirror, I used wood filler and filled in the lines that are at the corners of the mirror so it looks more flawless and you won't be able to tell that it's actually a mirror. To transition this mirror into a chalkboard, I'm using this spray paint that I got at my local home improvement store and spraying the glass. I did 3 layers of this paint. In between each layer, I waited 30 to 40 minutes to make sure it was completely dried. I wanted the mirror to be fully chalked, so when I write on it, it appears and it works properly. You guys, oh my goodness, I love this chalkboard. I love how it turned out. The gold trim, oh my goodness, you guys know I love gold. Gold is my favorite color, and the gold is talking to me. I love how it accents the desk and the chair, especially the desk. It looks so good. This chalkboard is going to come in so handy for the next couple of months, and if I need to use this in a different room, I can easily just take it off the wall. This is a multi-purpose item that can be used plenty of times. I know this is a short video, but I hope you guys really enjoyed this transformation. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Make sure that your notification bells are turned on so you're not missing out on my uploads. Don't forget to follow me at Sherri'sDivine Styles. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.